Hi, I'm Tim Howard, Floriade Head Gardener. Welcome to Floriade, Australia's biggest celebration of spring. I'm here to talk to you today about the different types of bulbs that you can plant at home. There are many different types of bulbs you can get at your local nursery or hardware store. Here at Floriade, we plant a combination of daffodils, jonquils, muscari, tritilia, irises. There's lots of different types that are available. What you're looking for in a good bulb is something that is firm to the touch. You don't want it to be soft and mushy. You're looking for it to be free of any sort of fungal growth or discoloration, and you want it to be a good size. So whatever bag of bulbs you end up buying, you'd like them to be approximately of the same size each. You can end up with some very small ones. It's best to try and get the biggest ones that you can get your hands on. A good time to plant bulbs is any time from autumn through to early winter. They really want to be in the ground when the temperatures are dropping and getting nice and cold. That's actually what triggers them to grow roots and to wake up from dormancy. For planting a bulb, all you'll need to do is get some nice quality potting mix. This is free draining, so that means if I water it with a watering can or a garden hose, all the water will drop out of it. And then all we need to do is pop our bulbs in about 5 to 10 centimeters apart. These bulbs are tulips. We've also got some jonquils here, which are beautiful. And you can put them in quite close together, and they don't mind that. All we need to do then is just cover them with about 5 centimeters of soil or potting mix. So you can do this in your home garden, or you can do this in a pot. A really great spot to plant bulbs is somewhere that it's nice and sunny. So preferably with morning sun or sun all day long, and somewhere that you can see them and enjoy them. Now these little annual flowers, these are little pansies, and they will grow over the winter and they will fill out the pot, and then the bulbs will push up through and flower up top. And this is what we do here at Floriade. Once this is planted, I'll give it some slow release fertilizer, and I'll simply water it twice, maybe 3 times a week, depending on how dry it is. And then come spring, we'll have a beautiful flower display. This year, Floriade is running from the 17th of September through to the 16th of October. We look forward to celebrating spring with you.